ever do? Huh? Did you swing in the swing today? Yeah. Did you jump in the jumper today? Did you sit in your bouncy chair today? Huh? Did you do that? Tell us what you did, Sophie. Tell us. Tell us a story. You don't have any stories to tell us today? Yeah, tell us. Tell us a story. What did you do? What? Did you take a bath? Yeah, did you, girl? Oh, I heard you snort. Did you snort? You got so excited you snorted, didn't you, girl? Yeah. Yeah, you're so strong, picking your head up like a big girl. Picking your head up? Yes? You're going to sit up? Yeah, you're not going to be laying down long, are you? You're just going to be sitting up. You don't even like this, do you? You want to sit up more, don't you? Yeah, tell us another story about Sophie. Yeah, tell us a story. Did her go on a trip today? Yeah, where did she go? Did she go to California?
She's so cute.
Did she go?
She is so cute.
Where did her go on a trip today? Huh? Did her take her doggies with her? Did you take the doggies with you? Yes.
Oh my God, that is so cute.
What's that? Is that Carrie over there? Is that your daddy? You're not going to want to sit. Yeah. Tell us a story, Sophie.
Hi, girl.
Look right in there. Tell us a story. Tell us a story.
Can you say another story?
No stories? Tell us about Sophie's day. What about Sophie's day? Huh? I don't like looking at that machine, she says. What's the matter? Say bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum 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 ba bum ba bum ba bum. Pop goes to Sophie. Pop goes to Sophie. Pop goes to Sophie. Bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum bum ba bum ba bum. Pop goes to Sophie. Pop goes to Sophie. Yeah.